Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video I will show you how to download SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. First, let's just see how we can download SQL Server. So this is the official website of Microsoft Server. I will give this link in the description, and when you open that link you will come to this page and you have to scroll down till you see this option SQL Server 2019 developer. Click on download now. As you can see, the download has been completed. You click on this and click open. It will show you a window that do you allow the application to make changes to your device. Select yes. After that, this window will appear. From these three options you should select basic. Then you should read this terms and condition and click on accept. Then you decide where you want your SQL Server to be installed. I will let it install on my C drive program file Microsoft SQL Server. I click on install now. Now as you can see, it has started downloading. The requirements to download SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio will be in the description for you to check if your device matches the requirement. Our installation is complete. Now we will install SQL Server Management Studio or SSMS. So you click on this, will open this page. Download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS. You scroll down, free download for SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1. This is the version number. So you click on this. So as you can see, it has started to download. It will take 15 to 14 minutes to download. So now our SSMS SQL Server Management Studio is downloaded. Let's just open it. A window will be shown asking your permission to run this program. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio setup has been opened. Now you have to select where you want to save this program. So I am saving it in default location in my C drive and program files. So now we just have to click on this install button, and as you can see, it has started to install. It will take some time to install. As you can see, our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio has installed successfully. Let's just close it and go to your search bar and search for SQL Server Management. You will find Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. So this is the app. You click on open. So this window will appear and it will start loading. So this small window will be open with SQL Server Management Studio, which says connect to a server. So first we have server type. So select here data engine from the drop down. Then we have server name. So if you scroll down, I am getting this two server name because this was my existing server. I already had SQL Server 2019 before, so this was my previous server. But if you are installing this for the first time, you will not get any server name here. You have to click on this browse for more, and then you will get this window. Here you have to expand the first database engine and you will see the server. So I'm getting only one server. So I select here, I click OK. Then we will select window authentication from here, and then we will click on connect. So as you can see, our server is connected. Let's run some query and see if everything is working fine. So let's go to database. So we don't have any database right now, so let's just create a database. Create database tutorial for you. So as you can see, command completed successfully. So let's expand this database. So you can see we get the database. If this tutorial helped you install SQL Server and SQL Management Studio, please like this video and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you are interested in more video of SQL, please subscribe and turn on the notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.